Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session, I will talk about how to troubleshoot stubborn and often face SQL Server patching error 1648. More precisely, we will talk about this no valid sequence could be found for set of updates which you might face while installing the patch or uninstalling the patch. Okay, so this is often observed issue, and you guys also asked me to troubleshoot such kind of issue. Of course, often you might be able to resolve this issue, right, with different methods, but there are some times you might not be able to resolve this issue with different techniques. Nothing can help, right? So in those kind of situations, you might be stuck, and of course, you cannot install the patch. So in those kind of situations, when you are stuck, what you should do, right? What is the universal way of dealing with this problem? And I will show this in the session. Let's get started. Okay, I have SQL Server 2022. You can see I installed the SQL Server by using this RTM file. Then, until now, I installed successfully this KB several months ago, right? But now I want to install this latest KB. But while I'm installing this latest KB, I'm facing this patch error, okay? So first of all, what does this no valid sequence problem mean? So if you go to this PC and go to C disk, Windows, right, and click on installer, you will see the list of MSI and MSP files and different related source hash files. This no valid sequence problem means that there is a problem with MSI or MSP file in your computer. Okay, so the sequence between MSI files are broken. It might be broken because of some tools, or you might have incorrectly deleted the files, or you might have incorrectly replaced the files, or the files were just corrupted while it was just in this installer folder. Okay, this installer is just a cache, and these MSI files are often changed or removed when there is a C disk contention. Okay, so this is often done by your Windows team, and as a result, as DBAs, we might face this kind of issue. So to resolve this issue, right? First of all, what I will to do is first I will go to internet and find this fix missing MSI tool. Okay, so you can find it also easily if you type fix missing MSI and go down, and here you will face use missing MSI tool and how to download if you GitHub repository, and here, and go to fix missing MSI. Okay, and you'll just download this one. Okay, I have this already, and what I will do is I will just click on it and right click and run as administrator and click scan now. Okay, now you can see this tool is not finding any issue, right? There is no problem, it is saying all of them are okay, but you are still facing the issue. So this is really like the condition where we are stuck, okay? Because our tool, nothing is not helping us. So in this kind of situations, what you should do, let me show you. So you will minimize this one, okay? For now, we will use it later. So go back to any location you want. I go to my documents, right click and create one folder and call it installer MSI backup. Okay, installer MSI backup. And now go back to this PC, open C disk, right? And go to Windows and type here again installer. Okay. Sorry, I think I made mistake. Installer. Okay, then copy this all of these MSI files. Not copy, just cut it. Cut, and go back to our that backup folder and paste it here. Paste. Okay, so now you can see we have a backup and we removed all the MSI files from system location. Okay, do not worry, this does not cause any outage in your production. Okay, this is just a cache. Okay, we will restore it later. No worries about that. So now we cleaned this installer folder, right? C Windows installer folder, we cleaned. Now what we will do? So you go back to MSI tool again, okay, and click on File and Scan Now, okay. Now you can see everything is red, right? Because we already moved the MSI files from the default system location to our backup folder. Now what we will do is first what I will do is I will go to that KBs, okay? This is the KBs I installed until now. RTM file, this KB, okay? And this is failing. So what I will do is first I will start from RTM. Please pay attention. RTM, installer. Right click, mount. Okay? So now I mounted and I will go back to my tool and click on file and scan. And here I will browse, okay? Browse. Then I will put this location, okay, which I extracted, and click OK. And click scan now. Okay, so now nothing changed, you might think, but there is a change. You go to the right side, okay, and pay attention to this fix command. Fix command. Okay, just let me make it bigger. Okay, fix command, right? So, okay. Now, fix command, I will sort it by command, okay? Sort. After I sort, you can see interesting point. Pay attention. What this fix command is doing, it is just copying the MSP file to this installer folder. Okay, can you see? Installer. Copy from here to here, it is doing. Okay? We do not run this one now. What I will do is I will find this e-disk, right? E-disk, because I want to fresh I need fresh and correct MSI file. So I need to copy all MSI files from here to installer folder. So go back and find, no, because this is copy C, okay? No, here. Copy from location E to installer folder, okay? Because this is just a location which we extracted, okay? So this is the location, okay? Start from here, copy. I will repeat again. Do not touch this default copy CCC. Pay attention to copy E and C, okay? From here to here, we should copy. Then go back to here and click on fix it. Okay. Then what is LA? This one also we will do. Okay. It means until now, until here, we will do all of these copy fixes. Okay. What we will do is until the end. Okay. So this copy E our target. What I will do is I will just do fix it, all of them, the same thing you will repeat. Okay. the same thing. So I will make it quickly. Okay. 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 Now we restored. Okay. We cleaned. Okay. Restored. I mean, with fresh MSI file from RTM file. Okay. These all MSI files belonged to RTM. Now, what's next? As you might make it a little, this product name bigger, make it bigger, then you might be able to see and sort it by product name. Okay, one more. Then you might be able to see there are other these KBs, KB 30 dot 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, and this is another KB. Can you see? This is another KB, another KB, another KB, another KB. Okay, because these KBs belong to the KBs which I installed until now. Okay, this belongs this KB and this KB. Okay, so what I will do is, in the same way, I will restore KB, restore MSI files from this KB. Okay, first. So let's concentrate on this 390. 390. Okay, I have this 390 KB. Okay, 390 KB. And by the way, you might ask from where I got these KBs, right? It is just from Microsoft side, publicly available SQL Server Patches. If you click on this, and if you click on latest updates, then you will see all the patches here. For 2022, these patches, right? For 2029, this patch. If you click on this link, you can download all these patches. So now I'm working on these patches. Okay, so very much easy to get. So you should just download it. So now let's get back. So we will just should restore the KB MSI files from this KB. What I will do is I will just start CMD. Please pay attention. CMD and run as administrator. Okay. So now what I will do is I will go to this location. Okay. Copy and CD this location. Okay. Now then what I will do is I will type this name SQL and just click tab. Okay. Then /x. It was backslash. Oh, I cannot remember. Let me try it. Yeah, here. Now, this is a location to where you want to extract, right? For this, I will just create one folder, just simple folder, and name this with the same folder name. Let me do this here. Copy and then name it like this. Okay, 500 something, right? The same name. So I will extract this file to here. Okay, so I will click on here and go to downloads and all KBs, and here I will extract here and extract. Okay, so I'm extracting this one, and let's repeat the same for another this KB also, because I will use it later. Okay, just I will just here. Okay, this one, right? So I will also extract this one also. Okay. Now what I will do is I will repeat the same thing for this one also. Let's do this. SQL 300. Okay. X and browse to this folder. Okay, new folder. Okay. Downloads. Okay, all KBs. This one. No, this one. Okay. Okay, and here we go. So now I extracted these KBs to just folders. Okay, now we can use these folders in our MSI tool. So first I will start from this 390, right? Go back to MSI tool. Okay, I will target these KBs. So click on this and scan again. And this time I'll go to that extracted folder. Okay, this PC downloads KB 390. Okay, just 390. Put it 390. Click OK. Scan. Okay, so now let's wait a little until this scan finishes. It should not take so much time. Okay. Okay, yeah, here we go. Now you can see, and let's do like this action. Sorry. Quit it. No, 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 no. Okay, no. Okay. Sorry. It got missed. I got missed. That downloads. Go back again. Fix MSI tool and start it again. I did mistake. So go back and 390. This PC downloads and all KBs 390. Okay, scan now. So now what we will do is we will go to the right side again. Okay, and make fix command again bigger. Fix command again bigger. There we go. Please pay attention, guys, what I'm doing. So fix command, right? So now you can see, and then I will sort by. And pay attention here. Pay attention. There are again two types of copy commands. From one is copy C something something to SQL browser or something something it is saying. Another one is from here. Copy C users administrator downloads all KBs from this folder, right? Our folder. Can you see? Our folder. It is copying MSI files from this our folder to installer folder. Okay. So what we will do is like this. Okay. So what I will do is again the same way. This is our target command. So I will click on fix it. Then I will click on this last one also because this is also KB. Yeah, our folder. Can you see our folder? So okay, fix it. And then now I will fix all of them between. Okay, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, and fix it, and this one also fix it. Now it has been fixed for this KB, right? This KB. Let me also show program name, product name here. You can see, right? For this KB, all of them fixed. Now, next one, last one is which KB? 318 or 14, right? It is this KB. Can you see? This KB left. So what I will do is again, I will go back to my that KBs. Okay, I already extracted this one, right? This one. Yeah, this from here, I extracted this and I will put it again. File, scan, and this time I will put another folder. Okay, downloads, and here, this one, right? So I will put here and scan now. Okay, so now, and again, go back to this fix command. And you can see now, all of them is coming from this folder. Can you see? Here. So now, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it. Okay, now all that, this one is left, of course, Microsoft SQL Server setup. This is just a small setup, okay? And this does not actually impact this because setup file. And but we are able to renew, to restore all clean MSI files. Okay, so in this way we restore MSI files. Okay, you might have many KBs. Okay, please do repeat the same for all the KBs. You should just extract it to folder, and after extracting that folder, you just put it here to this location and scan, and in this way you just restore all the KBs. Okay, and in the end, after you are finished with all of them, and try to install your KB again. Okay, it will definitely succeed. Okay, after installing the patch, okay, after installing the patch, what you should do is you should go back to your that folder, installer backup folder. Do you remember? We did it in the first step. So again, copy all of them, copy them. Oh, cut it, cut it, cut it. Then go back to your this C disk again, that installer folder. Where is that? Here. Okay, installer, and paste it here. Paste. Pay attention here. Do not replace. Okay, do not replace. You should just skip this. Here we go. Okay, we fixed all corrupted MSI. We resolved the issue. Okay, so this is I mean, I don't think this is the best way, but this way fixes any kind of this sequence related issue, any kind of MSI, any kind of patching related to this 1648 error number. Okay, so I hope that you found this session useful. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section of this video. Okay, I'll try to answer your questions. Okay, and please do not forget to like it if you like this video and you find this session useful. Thank you very much for your time.